Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming you have a lawful reason and explicit consent to locate someone. This matters legally and ethically. Once done, collect the mobile number, device type, and ask the person to enable location sharing. Next, install or open the official service. Apple Find My for iPhone, Google Family Link or Maps for Android, or prepare to contact the carrier with consent. Make sure permissions and sharing settings are visible. Without them, you cannot proceed lawfully. You now guide the person step by step to enable location sharing. Open Settings, choose Location or Find My, then turn on Share My Location. Once done, send an in-app invite or accept theirs. Verify both accounts are signed in, and two-factor authentication is set so access is secure. If using a carrier service, complete their consent form and ID verification. Make sure you test once. Seeing the device appear confirms shared visibility before you rely on it. Finish by opening the chosen app and confirming the live location updates as expected. Note the refresh rate and accuracy. If you don't see a location, check the device's GPS, battery saver mode, network signal, and that location permissions are granted. Once corrected, retry sharing or resend the invite. If you have a legitimate emergency and the person can't consent, contact the carrier or authorities who can lawfully request location data. This avoids illegal tracking and preserves safety.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.